Okay, we got the back of the head shaved out here. And then the back of the head, we have that out in here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on drilling our eyes out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. Got any questions, just feel free to ask in my comment section, and I'll get back with you. I'm going to use a 5/8 inch bit here. I'm going to cut these out. See, we got that cut out. We want to stay inside our lines here. We don't want to go outside the lines or our eyeball's not going to fit properly. It'll fall through on you. So what we're going to do in the back, we're going to go to the back now. We're going to take this out in here. And we have to get it down so our eyeball will fit flush in there. So we're going to work on getting this ground out in here. So we'll go to the back first. Once we get this down, then we'll move to the front, and then we'll go back and forth till we get it to where we want to fit it. We got to go about 3/4 of an inch down so our eye will fit. We're going to use 24 millimeter eyes. These are acrylic. So we're going to use those to come in here. But we have to take that out so the eyes will go down in where they go. Thanks for watching.